It took me 5 long years to finally take a leap of faith and push myself to enroll towards pursuing the life of my dreams. I wish I would have not given so many reasons that I gave to myself to push away my dream life. If I would have not procrastinated, I would have achieved all this and much more and much sooner in my life. Is there a similar thing happening with you? Are you pushing away for some or the other reasons your tasks and your goals that you really want to complete? If your answer is yes, I would really urge you to watch this video right till the end, because today we are going to talk about how can we beat the habit of procrastination and achieve all those goals that we have been pushing away all this while in our life. So stay with me right till the end. Hi, my name is Esther and welcome again to my YouTube channel Make New Ways, where you and I together work on discovering tools that will help us to achieve a life that we've always dreamt of and to have a life that we totally deserve. For all of you who are new to my channel, this is a place where we talk about mindsets, peak performance, achievements and fulfillment in life. So if you're an individual who's looking for more happiness, more fulfillment and more success in life, I would like to welcome you to my channel. Stay with me right till the end. In today's video, we will try to understand what exactly is procrastination, and we will also look into few ways that can help us to beat the habit of procrastination. So let's get started. Procrastination, as we see, is a habit in which mostly people try to push away or delay doing certain things. And the reason why they push away doing certain things is simply because they want to try and push away certain feelings like self-doubt, discomfort, boredom, or uncertainty. We procrastinate mostly for the same reason why we make most of the choices in our life, and that is to avoid uncomfortable feelings. Procrastination is a very serious habit. It is a habit that makes people push away so many dreams that they really want to achieve in their life. It is a habit that actually keeps most of the people from achieving abundance which they totally deserve in their life. We have to understand that everything that we do it in a pattern. Some very successful and uplifting patterns which many people follow are like following a good morning routine, or maybe by taking care of themselves. On the contrary, there are some people who also run some bad patterns, like procrastination. Like for example, when these people have to go for exercise, they will decide to sit and spend some time in liking everybody else's Facebook and Instagram posts. They will try to find out what is everybody else doing in this entire world. And in doing so, they very nicely procrastinate their exercise plans. The main difference between people who procrastinate and the people who do not procrastinate is that people who do not procrastinate carry with themselves a very foolproof pattern to not avoid doing things. They carry with themselves a pattern which helps them to keep going forward and doing things that they really want instead of avoiding and sitting back. So as we have understood what exactly procrastination does to us and what is procrastination, let's try to find out few ways that can help us to break this habit. The first way to beat procrastination is to get disciplined. Discipline is one of the key ways to get past procrastination. None of us are born with discipline, but we all should train into it. just like we train our muscles to get fit. Discipline is training your mind so that you do not let your mind negotiate with you and give you reasons for not doing a task. We should try to make discipline a lifestyle so that your mind and your thoughts are always and completely in your control. When you practice discipline as a lifestyle, you are always staying in action. And in doing so, you do not allow your mind to build up excuses that shifts your focus and that makes you push away your tasks. So the first way to fight procrastination is to stay disciplined. The next way is by maintaining your motivation. Studies show that most of the time we are less likely to procrastinate a task if you are well motivated to do it. Most of the time we get so overwhelmed by the big goals that we set for ourselves that a fear of not being able to achieve that goal creeps in, and it makes us push away our goal simply because we are scared to lose. My suggestion to you here is that instead of setting a big goal for yourself, break that big goal into smaller chunks. In doing so, you will relieve a lot of your stress and it will keep you motivated to keep going on and making that goal fulfilled. Stay motivated to beat procrastination. The third way is by breaking that pattern. When you find yourself struggling to get going, it's time for you to break that pattern and beat that procrastination. The pattern which one usually follows while procrastinating is by avoiding to do something. You will have to be very watchful of the times when you find yourself trying to avoid doing a task. When you find yourself avoiding to do something, you will have to immediately break that pattern by simply changing your state. Like for example, say suppose you're sitting, you will have to simply get up, walk 1 or 2 steps forward and backward, and then immediately get onto the task that you were trying to avoid. While doing so, you should do this immediately as soon as you start to avoid doing a task, so that your mind do not get enough time to give you excuses for not doing it. This is not going to be very easy for the very first few times. But please don't give up and just keep doing it. Slowly, after doing this for a few times, you will find that your mind will start cooperating and supporting you to switch the pattern of procrastination. You will find that your mind is more supportive to help you to get onto a task more swiftly. So, to break the habit of procrastination, you will have to break this pattern. And with this, we come to the end of today's video. I hope you liked my video, and I hope that these ways will help you to overcome the habit of procrastination and achieve all that you've always wanted to finish and complete. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more insightful videos. And yes, please share my video with somebody who can benefit from this. Thank you so much for being with me right till the end. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.